Adobe Premiere Pro 2025 introduces an exciting new AI-powered feature, Generative Extend. This tool allows you to seamlessly create extra frames for your video and audio clips. In this video, we'll show you how to use Generative Extend to enhance your editing workflow. To get started, identify the clip you want to extend in your sequence. Video clips should be at least 2 seconds long, while audio clips must be at least 3 seconds. Keep in mind that Generative Extend currently works best with 1920 by 1080 or 1280 by 720 resolutions, a 16.9 aspect ratio, and frame rates between 12 to 30 FPS. Now select the Generative Extend tool from the toolbar. Once selected, drag the edge of your video or audio clip to extend it. Premiere Pro's AI will automatically generate new frames to match the existing footage. Video clips can be extended up to 2 seconds, while audio clips can be extended up to 10 seconds. If you're not satisfied with the AI-generated extension, don't worry. Simply right-click on the AI-generated label and select Regenerate to create a new variation. This ensures you get the best possible result for your project. All AI-generated content is automatically saved to your project under the Generated Media folder. However, if you want to change where these files are stored, go to Preferences, Scratch Disks, and select a new location. This helps keep your workspace organized and optimized. Since Generative Extend is currently in beta, there are a few limitations. Higher resolutions, HDR content, and additional aspect ratios like vertical video are not yet supported, but Adobe is working on expanding these capabilities. For audio, Generative Extend cannot create or extend spoken dialogue, and music clips are not eligible for extension due to copyright considerations. Generative Extend is a powerful new tool that takes video editing to the next level. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro updates and tutorials. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use this feature. Happy editing!